funny. We have 2 segments of the show. This is one of my favorites. It's the Whissel widget of the week. This is something that, like I said, we use in our daily life that saves us time, helps us have more fun or make more money. Mike, would you like to go first?
Sure. So I said everybody could hit me up on Instagram. So pretty frequently I've seen all kinds of cool videos of people at like open houses and new listings that pop up. And I was like, those are freaking cool. How do I do that? And I am not the tech person.
He is not. He asked me how to copy and paste into his browser.
That's a fact. Because I got a Mac computer and they're different. But I found this app called CapCut. And all I have to do is take the little videos on my phone, and then I find a template of the amount of videos I want to utilize, and I just put them in there, pick the music, and then hit done. And it's like, you have this cool video that you did, but you didn't really do it. It's rad. Highly recommend it. It's called CapCut.
And you're just using the free version.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because I'm cheap.
And I don't know how much the paid one is, but I use
Probably
the free
like
one.
$5.
Probably.
It's probably so cheap.
$100 a year.
Oh, $100 a year.
Okay, so it's $7 a month.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
Like.
Yeah.
I was thinking $5 a month.
Yeah.
I was so wrong. Sorry, Tom.
But yeah, so very cool. For my widget, this is something I'm a little embarrassed that I didn't know before. I reached out to we're big Ylopo fans. We love Ylopo for our front end website. They do everything from our website, our IDX search, our e-alerts to let clients know that, or let our agents know. No, let our clients know about new listings. We get alerts when they go back to the website. They do remarketing. Big fan of Ylopo. My widget is not Ylopo. It's the tools that they offer. So if you go to one of the tools that our agents use all the time is the open house tool. It basically builds a website for that open house. People fill in the information, and then it automatically goes into that agent's follow-up box. Phenomenal. Well, I reached out to my contact there. I'm like, hey, do you have this? We used to have this 15 years ago with another CRM, not that long ago, 9 years ago with another CRM. Do we have it? He goes, yeah, I got that and a bunch more stuff. So if you have Ylopo and you go to your website /tools. So if your website is San Diego homesearch.com, and that's your Ylopo, San Diego homesearch.com /tools, it will give you not only the open house tool, but it'll also give you a heat map. So it'll look through your CRM and see where buyers are searching. So this is great to use on a listing presentation. It'll give you branded market trends. So if you're doing a listing presentation in Santee or doing an open house in Santee, you can show that, and it shows graphs and all sorts of stuff. Single listing flyer, listing detail. This is really cool because this is like a website where they can fill out a form at the bottom. And if they fill out that form at the bottom, it goes to your account. So I was like, oh, that's embarrassing. You have all these really cool tools that I didn't know existed. So go to your website.com /tools if you have Ylopo. If you don't have Ylopo,
you should
sign up for Ylopo and then do that. And that's my widget is like 10 tools all in one.
Awesome.
Yeah, check it out. It's really cool. That does it for this week's episode of Real Estate Success, the Whissel Way podcast. I am your host, Brian Kochi, brought to you with Mike Proctor. That's a weird way to say it. We're joined by Mike Proctor. I will see you next week.
Wait. Before you leave, I want to share some more tips and tricks that we're using in our business to take it to that next level. Just click right here. And don't forget to subscribe. Click right here.